Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Experience hassle-free 3D printing with the Adventurer 5M series. Enjoy automatic bed leveling for flawless first layers, ensuring consistent adhesion and saving time with no manual adjustments required. Featuring a Core XY structure with 600 mm per second travel speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, the AD5M maximizes efficiency, reduces production cycles, and ensures high precision, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. Quick 3-second nozzle changes, a high-flow 32 mm superscript 3/s nozzle, and fast 35-second warm-up to 200 degrees Celsius deliver stable high-speed printing. Its dual-sided PI platform and versatile options provide easy removal and adaptability for various creative projects. With dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 to 0.8 mm, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, the AD5M ensures top-tier print quality. Use the FlashMaker mobile app for real-time monitoring and intelligent operation, making your printing experience seamless. Number 2. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon arrives fully assembled and pre-calibrated, ready to go right away. With auto bed leveling, intuitive touchscreen controls, and 256 by 256 by 256 mm/10" x 10x10 build volume, it's built for users of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned maker, enjoy smooth, frustration-free printing from the start. Unlock ultra-fast printing with its advanced Core XY structure, achieving up to 500 mm per second print speeds and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. Combined with a high-flow hot end and powerful heated bed, you can produce large, detailed parts rapidly and reliably. Equipped with a 320 degrees Celsius brass-hardened steel nozzle and enclosed chamber with enhanced cooling, Centauri Carbon is optimized for advanced filaments like carbon fiber reinforced filament and more. Create parts that are strong, lightweight, and heat-resistant, ideal for drones, automotive, and athletic applications. Centauri Carbon 3D printer features a rigid, integrated die-cast aluminum frame that minimizes vibrations and maintains exceptional stability, even at high speeds. Combined with automatic vibration compensation and pressure advance, it ensures smooth first layers and consistent, high-quality prints. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. The high performance of the Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer offers you greater creative potential. With a maximum travel speed of 600 mm per second and with an acceleration of up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, your designs can be swiftly realized. No waiting required, the nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius within 35 seconds, saving you valuable time. Fast printing doesn't compromise on quality. The Core XY structure and all-metal frame ensure stability during high-speed movements. Offering multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm, you could strike a balance between speed and intricate details, achieving impeccable print quality. Adventurer 5M Pro employs pressure sensing for automatic bed leveling. It detects platform height with multi-point precision, ensuring flawless initial layers. No manual adjustments, no Z-axis calibration, and no print raft needed. Plus, the dual-sided PI platform enables easy toolless model removal. Integrated smart management via mobile app FlashMaker includes remote video monitoring, real-time progress tracking, parameter adjustments, and alerts. Features like auto shutdown, resume printing, and filament detection optimize workflow. Dual circulation system reduces dust, ensuring a safer, more convenient experience, giving you full control with ease. Number 4. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. Bring your creations to life with vibrant, multicolor prints. This printer supports up to 4 colors simultaneously, giving you endless creative possibilities. One-click auto leveling. Enjoy smooth, uninterrupted prints with the advanced one-click auto leveling feature that automatically calibrates your print bed for optimal results every time. The AD5X features a Core XY structure with speeds up to 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. Its stable design boosts both efficiency and print quality, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and batch production. Exceptional print quality. The AD5X delivers outstanding print results with its advanced dual-channel cooling fan, vibration compensation system, and 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. Versatile nozzle options, equipped with interchangeable nozzles in 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm sizes. The AD5X supports everything from ultra-fine details to large, rapid prints. Whether you're focused on precision or speed, it adapts to your creative needs. Smart, user-friendly features. The built-in resume printing function handles unexpected power loss, while automatic filament feeding and retraction simplify operation. You could also monitor and control prints remotely via the FlashMaker mobile app for added convenience. Number 5. Entina 2 Plus V3 3D Printer. Newly upgraded high-speed 3D printer, 250 mm per second printing speed greatly saves printing time, can quickly complete the print design. 10,000 revolutions per minute high-power fan can accelerate the heat dissipation, so that the model printing is more stable and the details are more perfect. Compact body, simple design, use with Polo Print Cloud, massive models, Novice Paradise, Wi-Fi printing, make 3D printing more convenient and intelligent. Connect app to realize online slicing and one-click printing. Beginners and kids can also use it quickly. Entina 2 Plus Mini 3D Printer, friendly enough to users and beginners. The small 3D printer is ready to use right out of the box and you can start printing quickly without complicated setup. Comes with a complete starter kit, SD card with designed print models, slicing software, detailed tutorials for stress-free use. Can be used with Linux, Windows, Mac, Chromebook system. New advanced settings to meet the needs of DIY users. Change the printer commands at will. Quick release hot end with 40s fast heating, 80 degrees print hot bed, adapted to a wider range of materials. Discover more about the world of 3D printing. In order to make it more convenient for different users to use the 3D printer, the printer adopts an auto-leveling function, and the design of the dual Z-axis makes the printer run to replace the stable and reduce the error when leveling the bed, and improve the success rate of the printed model.